Let's start by creating a new comp and a text layer. Then go to AI Assistant panel and paste a refined prompt. You can find this one in the description. Hit Generate and it's all ready, with controllers and animations. Select the layer and go to Effects Controller panel to see how you can adjust the animation using the controllers generated by AI. You can adjust the animation properties like duration, or add another property to the layer animator, like opacity. Refine your prompts and generate again. Use your creativity to unleash the AI power in After Effects. Thank you for watching.